to your side.
Oh,
No, but like, it's really creepy. You want to try?
Oh, yes.
I will film here.
Thank you. Okay, it's not. Is it showing? Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
You see, right? Honey. Yeah, because usually.
Give a random slice of bread. Oh! That's really flavorful. I'm gonna have it with pure honey. This is insane. It doesn't open. I'm trying coffee. This is so good. I've been really craving this summer. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. It's so good. How do you say cousin in Spanish? She's my prima, guys. How are you?
I'm ready.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm just tired. Let me go.
Enjoy. You're staring. This is the setup. Guys, we're so multicultural.
Oh my god, where are the cameras?
Guys, we're actually the OG right here.
You wait inside like some spring school?
I remember. Oh my god, they were following me, guys. They were following us around. Guys, we're also broke. Do you see our wallets? It's non-existent.
This is our food for today.
We didn't even buy this. We got it for free. You look around.
Sorry. Wait, how do I stop?
Jessie Rose in her natural happiness. Cord is a bit weird.
How come?
In certain light.
Champagne and it did taste nice.
What are we doing?
Hey guys, we're looking for gifts for Mama and Hafsa's graduation.
Yes. Okay.
I had that in the.
You had that in
I was
you.
so happy about that. How you? Oh, can I zoom in on this? What are you looking for, Elizabeth?
Between hazelnut and pistachio.
Perfect. Kind of getting the hang of this. I'm loving the music in the background. Feels like we're in Paris right now.
Wait, are you happy to be in Paris?
Yes. My bad to edit that out.
We can buy a strainer.
Yeah.
Maybe they already have
Oh,
their own
if we're gonna
strainers.
get
I have to stand like here for it to be okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you made it look so easy.
Did actually. It's really calming.
Look, there's so many of us.
There are so. This one's your mama's. This one's Hafsa's.
Hey, just show us your phone.
Oh, hello. Yeah. Oh, this is a new phone. You can see him when you I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. But basically, when I turn to like the next app, you can see him looking up and down.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
which is quite
fun. Whoa.
Yeah, it's quite cool.
I love that.
Thank you.
Were you both like?
We're making slime by the beach.
Yes. Where's the camera?
Yeah, where did you? Oh, I'm like, oh, she said that and it dropped in. I'm like, okay, it's a bit rough actually.
Can I poke it?
I hope everyone who sees this is jealous. Because I've been inviting everyone to make slime with me on the beach.
Yes. And you finally done it.
Yeah, I know. You guys are real ones.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that looks so good.
And it looks so good.